So the second strategy that students can use to help solve multi-step word problems is to provide manipulatives for students to use. This can be counters, a replica of an actual item, or fraction lines. In this case, we'll be using fraction lines. So an example problem is Fred and George ordered 2 large pizzas that had 8 slices each. Fred ate 1/4 of one pizza, and George ate 3/8 of the same pizza. Then, Harry and Ron showed up and asked if they could have some pizza. Fred and George wanted to save half of a pizza for lunch the next day. How many pieces can Harry and Ron eat so there's half of a pizza left over? So it says that there are 2 large pizzas. So we'll start off with 2 wholes of a pizza. And then it says that each pizza has 8 slices each. So we're going to place our 8 down so it equals 1 whole or 1 whole pizza. But we're going to place them down twice because we have 2 pizzas. So we need it to equal 2 pizzas. So we have 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and 8/8. So here we have our 2 whole pizzas. And then it says that Fred ate 1/4 of one pizza. So we're going to take our fourths fraction strip and put it down. But we see that it has 8 slices and we have 4. So we need to figure out how many fourths, or how 1/4 equals how many eighths. So we're just going to pick it up and place it on top of the eighths and see that 1/4 equals 2/8. So we'll take that away because we know that Fred has eaten 2/8 of the one pizza, of the whole pizza. So then we read that George ate 3/8 from the same pizza. So we're just going to take away 3/8 of this entire pizza. And then, if we keep reading the problem, we can see that when Harry and Ron showed up, they wanted to have some pizza as well. But Fred and George want to save half of a pizza for lunch. So we're going to take our half slice, and we see that we have the problem that we had with Fred earlier, and that a halves are different than eighths. So we're going to place it over, but we'll see that we still have more of a half than if we were to take away 3/8. So we know that a half has to equal more than 3/8. So we'll place it on our full pizza up here, and we see that 1/2 equals 4/8 of a pizza. So if we take these 4/8 away, saying that those are going to be what they eat for lunch tomorrow, and we count up how many eighths that we have left, and we just move these ones up here, so we know that an entire pizza is gone now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7/8 that are left over. So Harry and Ron can eat 7/8, and there will be a half of a pizza left over for Fred and George to eat at lunch tomorrow.